What's up, ID?
And welcome to a new video!
Yes. We're still in Luang Prabang.
Yes.
And we're on the way to the
KUANG Si Waterfalls?
KUANG Si Falls.
Yeah.
It's a very beautiful waterfall complex.
Yes.
Here in Luang Prabang, or nearby Luang Prabang. It's about a 20-kilometer drive. We rented our little scooter, a little scoopy. it's all beat up, but it's doing the job. Like, we're in the beautiful countryside outside Luang Prabang city. It's a very beautiful day. It's a bit chilly, but still very beautiful. So yeah, I'm gonna take you along with us. Yeah. Now let's go. Gonna make a little coffee break along the way. Look how nice this is. Super beautiful. Some drinks to go with the view. Some lumpias to go along with the drinks.
Yes.
Oh.
It's peanut sauce.
Heel good.
Skadoosh. That was amazing. And now we're gonna continue on to the waterfalls.
We arrived. This is the scooter parking. It's 2,000 kip to park it. Now we're gonna walk to the entrance of the falls. So there you can buy tickets. We got them. It's 25,000 kip.
Which is €1.50.
Something like that. Yeah. And then you can take one of these little golf carts, and they take you to the waterfalls. You can buy some drinks and some food if you want, some snacks before you go. So this is where you get dropped off.
Yeah. If you want to drive your bike to here.
Yeah. I don't think it's necessary to just stop at the place where we stopped, but they waved us in. So we thought we had to go there.
Otherwise you have to buy your tickets there.
So now we have to walk a little bit up to the falls, and they have
a bear sanctuary.
yeah. Ah, there's some bears there. Let's check it out.
Bear rescue center by buying a t-shirt.
Yeah.
Super nice quality as well. Yeah. So
Bought a bear shirt.
yeah.
This is one.
With a bear
rescue.
paw.
Yeah. And beyond the bears, you get to the waterfalls.
Wow, it looks like something from a fairy tale or something.
And this is the main attraction.
Wow.
You can also go up. Let's check it out. What's there? The sea. But it's wow, it's a very, very beautiful waterfall.
Yeah.
So we might go in for a swim. Not too sure yet because it's very cold. So this is the top. Falls. Yeah, let's go. There's the viewpoint over there at the back. Look at the water, it's super clear. It's very nice. This might be one of the most beautiful waterfalls we've seen.
So far, yeah. Yeah, every waterfall is different and beautiful in its own way. But I think this one is on the top of that. Making our way down, but the flip-flops are not the best shoes to do this.
One. So we're back down.
Yeah.
Back at the start. Bada boom. Bada bam.
Beautiful.
Bada bam.
So I think we're going back. This water is freezing cold. We're not gonna take a swim. No.
And it's a bit late as well. We still have to go back.
Yeah, we want to be back before dark. And it's 40 minutes for the scooter, I think. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you liked the video and be sure to like, subscribe and leave a comment. See you in the next one. Bye!